A breaking input coming in. Haryana Chief Minister has vowed heroic welcome for Vinesh Phogat. Haryana Chief Minister has said that Vinesh remains a champion for India and Vinesh will be felicitated like a medalist because remember we told you that she was the first Indian woman to in fact enter the finals, and let us take you through this tweet that has been made by Nayab Saini. हरियाणा की हमारी बहादुर बेटी विनेश फोगाट ने जबरदस्त प्रदर्शन करके ओलंपिक में फाइनल में प्रवेश किया था। किसी भी कारणों से वो भले ही ओलंपिक का फाइनल नहीं खेल पाई हो, लेकिन हम सबके लिए वो एक चैंपियन है। हमारी सरकार ने ये फैसला किया है कि विनेश फोगाट का स्वागत और अभिनंदन एक मेडलिस्ट की तरह ही किया जाएगा। हरियाणा सरकार ओलंपिक रजत पदक विजेता को जो सम्मान, इनाम और सुविधाएं देती है वो हम सभी विनेश फोगाट को भी पूर्वक दी जाएंगे। सो दिस इज व्हाट द हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टेटेड। हमें आप पर गर्व है विनेश। सो दिस रिमेन्स टू बी द स्टैंड ऑफ द हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट। दे सेड दैट दे विल फैसिलिटेट the champion, they will treat her as a champion and they will also give her सम्मान, इनाम और सुविधाएं just like a champion itself. So they are going to wherever she's going to arrive in India, the Haryana Chief Minister has said that there will be a heroic welcome for Vinesh Phogat. My colleague Amandeep joins us on the broadcast. Amandeep, this big in fact announcement has been made by Haryana government saying that they will welcome her, they will give her all the samman, inam or suvidhaएं just like a champion. Give us more details.
Well, absolutely. Haryana government has earlier announced the kind of facilities, jobs and the cash money reward and other facilities to those who are getting the medals from the Olympic. And even now, Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has announced the same kind of facilities and the same kind of status will be given to Vinesh Phogat as well, according to the policy, and Haryana will facilitate and Haryana will treat Vinesh Phogat as an Olympic medalist, not as a disqualified Olympic participant. And that is a very big decision, just because Haryana, according to the policy of Haryana state, there are certain specifications for the Olympic medalist, for the Commonwealth medalist and for the Asian Games medalist as well. But now Vinesh Phogat will be treated as an Olympic medalist by the state of Haryana, and all the facilities and all the cash money reward, the job and everything will be given her according to the policy for the Olympic medalist as well. So this is a very big decision, and in fact Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has also announced there would be a grand welcome for Vinesh Phogat once she landed here in India, and all kind of facilities will be given to her.
So Vinesh Phogat belongs to Charkhi Dadri area of Haryana, and wherever she comes to India, she will be given a heroic welcome, and also, as the Haryana government said, samman, inam or suvidha is what will be given to her. Now